Hello and welcome back to my channel, and this is another product unboxing. It's been a while since I did one of these, and this is the most expensive package that I am unboxing on the channel so far, although I didn't actually pay for it, but I'll get to that in a second. This one is a helmet from a company called Tiivra, and I've been talking about it to my friends and my family for quite a while now, and this should be interesting, so let's get to it. Honestly, a dog could have opened this box better than me. Okay, so having opened the box with the sophistication of a bulldog, it's time to get the actual product box out. God, I'm so shit at this. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Yeah. This is the Tiivra AlterEgo helmet, and it's made from composite fiber, which is a material which is much lighter than the polycarbonate helmets most of us use, and it's also much stronger. And this one is in a colorway that's very fancy, very stylish, and I think you'll like it. Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh, this is the receipt. Net total 0 rupees. Again, I'll get to that in a bit. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, so first of all, here we have a smoked visor, which I'll be putting on almost immediately. Because sunlight, it's very like, I hate sunlight, honestly. And this is the actual helmet in this handy carrying case. Tiivra's branding game is strong, I will give them that. Owner's manual with some handy stickers for blood group and all of that. I'm just gonna quickly check what's in here. If you know anybody who's worse at opening boxes than me, then let me know, by the way. Yeah, this is good. In case you don't know all the science and the R&D that's gone into the material and the build of the helmet and all of the design, this booklet will tell you all you need to know, done in a very funky and like graphic designer friendly way. And I know the guys at Tiivra, I know the graphic designers, and they've done a fantastic job with this. So what's this? Oh, okay, it's an emergency card. Nice. Is this a sticker as well? It is not a sticker. Okay. And a keychain. Nice. I have 3 of these already, but one more won't hurt. We all like freebies. Time to check out the helmet. Ooh la la. Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. How's that for a looker? Wow! This is the demon colorway, and it is my favorite of the bunch. They've got 6 colorways, but this one is just fantastic. Super light. It's only 1250 grams. Can you imagine that? 1250 grams on a helmet that's bypassed EC certifications, ISI certifications, and is much stronger than all the polycarbonate stuff you get anywhere. Oh yes. Oh yes, this is oh yeah, I'm digging this. Okay. Okay, so this is the race kit. So it has the race cheek pads. Oh yeah, I should probably cover that up first. The Tiivra helmet has sort of two ways you can use it in. This is the street fit, and these pads are for the race fit. So the race fit has much higher density foam and a much tighter fit, whereas this is relatively more relaxed. Now, relaxed does not mean loose. Your helmet should not be loose. So, I love the smell of new helmets. Soon enough it's gonna get sweaty and dirty and yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna check the fit real quick. A review is gonna come soon, but yeah, double D rings obviously, because that is the safest route to go. Let's have a fit check. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice. The foam is really soft. The fit is fantastic. Yeah. Yeah, nice, man. Buy the correct size, guys. It's super important. Get the correct size. Okay, now here comes the interesting part. This is the new helmet. This is the helmet I already had. Are they identical? In many ways, yes, they are identical, but there's some things I need to talk about. Just to clear some stuff up, this is the helmet I got about half a year ago during Tiivra's huge launch event. This is the Mark 1 Tiivra AlterEgo. This is the Mark 2 Tiivra AlterEgo. Now, they may look pretty much identical, but I assure you there are critical differences, and I have noticed quite a lot of them right off the bat. I had a few problems with this helmet, which I informed the guys at Tiivra. We have a WhatsApp group, so we tell them about any issues or concerns we have, which is really nice. Starting off with the visor, I still feel the resistance is a little too much. It's very difficult to get on and off while you're on the move. They've somewhat corrected this here. This one is much easier, but it still needs to have a certain degree of flex and a certain degree of tightness to ensure that it stays on. Then, right off the bat, in terms of quality, this frontal unit, if you look closely here, isn't screwed on straight. So, look at the golden portion here on that side, and look at the golden portion here, it's uneven. It's stuck on with a slight incline, which I was not very happy about. Then one of the big ones, the spoiler, has a crack in it. This is the Mark 1. Again, I'm saying this is the Mark 1. The spoiler has a crack in it, and the gaps are uneven. The panel gaps are uneven. There's a huge whopper of a gap at the top as well. By the way, if you want to buy this helmet, it costs 15,000 rupees, which is a large amount for a helmet. But if you're concerned about your safety, it's really not that much. The thing is, I do have some problems with this helmet, okay? It's fine that I got it for free. Let me just quickly cover why I got it for free. So Tiivra had a program called the Tiivra 100 where they chose about something between 70 to 100 of us across the country, and we were supposed to create and curate content for a new platform called the Tiivra Autonomous Zone, which would basically be a social media for motorcyclists where other people coming there could get any information about riding they wanted from the riding community itself. It's a fantastic idea, and we built it up for quite a few months. I myself created and curated quite a lot of videos for the platform. Right now, I'm not entirely sure what's going on with that. So a part of the deal was that we would get one of these glass fiber helmets for free once we got selected to curate and create for the platform, and once the helmet was launched. So this is basically part of the deal. That's why I got this for free essentially. So I'm not complaining, but from a potential customer's point of view, first of all, this does not have a visible ECE certification. On the back you can see iSign DOT. If you go on Tiivra's website, you can see that they've surpassed ECE 2205 by quite a substantial margin, which is great. Okay, it's fantastic. And they've applied for 2206 as well. But because they missed the application window for 2205, this doesn't have the sticker on it. And for a layman looking to upgrade a helmet and get a good performance helmet, he is just gonna see, does this have ECE or not? From a customer's point of view, this is not working quite well, okay? It needs to have that sticker on it. That's the first thing. The second thing is glass fiber helmets or any composite fiber, carbon fiber, glass fiber, any helmet basically. They're quite a bit trickier to make than an injection molded polycarbonate shell. I'll give you a quick example. Hang on. Right, this is the Axor Apex, which is an injection molded polycarbonate helmet. No, it is not as safe as these. Okay, it's not. It's not composite fiber. The main difference being, if you crash on this, a shock is distributed across the shell. If you crash on one of these, only the region that receives the impact will be absorbing the shock. So yes, it makes a difference. But from a consumer's point of view, who's not going to dive too deep into the technicalities, might not even go on the website, just wants to walk in a shop and buy the helmet, this has an ECE certification, and yes, it's tested at low speeds. Yes, these are more protective. Yes, only track riders only use composite fiber helmets, but for the layman, he needs that sticker on there, which I think Tiivra should have done. Again, in terms of the build quality, the Apex is way ahead. So I'm just gonna leave the Mark 1 aside for now because that's old news. If you buy a Tiivra helmet, the quality, fit and finish is gonna be more like this one. So look at the spoiler integration. Okay, now I get that this angle and all the manufacturing has been done for a particular reason, so that the aerodynamics and the downforce and everything is spot on, but this just looks way better integrated than this. Again, if we come to the front of the helmets, if you see the front air vent, the one on the Apex sits flush, the one on the Tiivra sort of protrudes out as if it's stuck on. It is stuck on, yes. Again, I'm stressing injection molding is a much simpler manufacturing process where you can get the components and accuracy right with relative ease. These take more time and effort to make. That's why that's part of the reason why they're so expensive. Oh, shit. I just found another difference. The mesh in the air vents is way more accurate. This is much finer mesh rather than this hole punched thing that's going on these. Again, just gonna put the Apex aside for now. Also, this has a double visor. These don't. I'm not concerned about that because there is a smoked visor which I'll put on. So yeah, this is the Tiivra. Oh god, which is the new one? Yeah, okay. So I'll be sending that one back and keeping this one. It looks fine. By the way, fun fact, MS Dhoni uses a Tiivra AlterEgo helmet. I believe it's the Sabre colorway. But I'm liking the new one, okay? I'm liking the new one. It's definitely much better than the Mark 1. The spoiler sits flush. There still is a gap here. There's still a gap. Guys, come on. Anyways. Also, the spoiler is a little bit flimsy so that it can break off when you fall, so that the overall shape of the helmet is more round, so you can like slide across the pavement. I'm liking the overall fit and finish. It's much better than the previous one. Even the D-ring, the button, where's the button? It's more solid, better fitted on. That one just felt like it was gonna come off at any point. Let's do the visor peel before we conclude, okay? I love this part. So yeah, Tiivra AlterEgo Demon, glass fiber, super strong, super lightweight, looks fantastic. The gold is developed with Nippon for high visibility. The back, the spoiler gold actually reflects like a tube light when headlights are thrown at it. Very intelligently designed product, but with still a little flaws here and there from a customer's point of view. I'm very happy, okay? I got it for free. I'm very happy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be testing the helmet out, putting it through its paces. I hope it lives up to my expectations because the new one, surface value at least, looks great. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of the helmet and ride safe.